And here we have, sitting right next to the South Fork of the Kern, about 3.5 miles from the Kennedy Meadows Campground, an interesting little improvised camp area. I first visited this spot about, well, it was in the early 1990s. I think it was 1991, maybe 1992. And so this has been here for a long time. I'm a little surprised that the National Forest Service has allowed this to persist, but persist it has. Not that it's a good or bad thing, just that usually the Forest Service is a little bit conservative about issues like this. But anyway, what we have are a couple improvised tables, and it says Camp WC 2012. Oh, interesting. And we even have some soap to help with hygiene. And another little table over here, cast iron pot. Probably the most concerning aspect of this is some flammable material right here. I don't think that was responsible to leave this here, but who am I to judge, right? We have a little grill up here, part of a shovel here, and kind of an interesting thing. Like I said, first time I visited this spot was in the early 1990s, and it changes a little bit from year to year. One year there was a lot of trash because someone had put dug a hole and cached some materials in there. And apparently a bear dug it up and scattered stuff all over the place. That was like 2 or 3 years ago that I found that. Quite a mess. But for the most part, I guess this isn't too terribly bad. But like I said, I'm kind of surprised the National Forest Service has allowed it to persist. And like I said, not that it's necessarily a good thing or a bad thing, just kind of interesting curiosity. But like I said, also it's been here since the early 1990s, and so it's 3 decades at least, and I'm sure it was around a long time before that. Probably in the form of some sort of a cattle camp type of thing, because there was grazing in the area. In fact, Clover Meadow is just up over that way, and so this would have been a good headquarters for the cattle people. At any rate, enough gabbing on this one. Over and out.